sun is slowly rising, golden light across the sand. Palm tree shadows gently moving, dancing softly on the land. The ocean breeze is calling softly, like a song from long ago, bringing back the sweetest memories of the places that I know. I remember quiet mornings, walking slowly by the sea, feeling grateful for the moments that brought happiness to me. The island carried all my stories, every dream and every tear, and the waves keep on reminding me that the best days are still here. Let the sunshine touch your heart now, let the ocean set you free. Every memory is a treasure, every moment is a melody. Palm tree shadows and sweet memories falling gently by the sea, golden sunsets, island breezes, bringing back the best in me. Palm tree shadows and sweet memories, like a song that never fades, with the reggae rhythm flowing, I'll remember these sweet days. Palm tree shadows and sweet memories underneath the tropical sky, where the ocean keeps on singing and the peaceful moments fly. The waves are dancing on the shoreline, the birds are flying high above. The island tells a simple story about happiness and love. The flowers bloom beside the pathway, the stars appear at night. Every corner holds a feeling, every view is full of light. I have walked through changing seasons, I have known the rain and sun, but the memories that I treasure are the moments filled with love. Life is not about the riches or the things we cannot keep. It's the smiles and little moments that our memories running deep. Hear the rhythm of the ocean, feel the breeze upon your face. Sometimes peace is found in moments, in a simple quiet place. Palm tree shadows and sweet memories falling gently by the sea, golden sunsets, island breezes, bringing back the best in me. Palm tree shadows and sweet memories, like a song that never fades, with the reggae rhythm flowing, I'll remember these sweet days. When the evening paints the water with a golden ocean glow, I sit beneath the palm trees, watching gentle rivers flow. The moonlight shines upon the island, stars are sparkling in the blue. Every peaceful little moment feels like something pure and true. The memories keep on growing, like a garden in the rain. Every joy and every lesson, every smile and every pain. blessing. Every place has felt like home. Tomorrow brings another sunrise, another story to create. But I'll always keep these memories, because they made my heart feel great. The palm tree shadows will remind me of the beauty I have seen, of the peaceful island moments, and the places I have been. Palm tree shadows and sweet memories, forever living in my heart. Golden skies and ocean breezes were the places where I found my star. Palm tree shadows and sweet memories, a beautiful island song with the reggae rhythm beside me. I know where I belong. Golden horizons of love and peace. The morning sun is rising slowly, painting gold across the sea. A gentle breeze is softly calling, bringing peace and harmony. The waves are dancing by the shoreline, the palm trees sway above the sand. I feel the beauty of this moment, like a blessing from the land. I have walked through many seasons, searching for a place to rest, carrying dreams and old emotions, looking for what feels the best. Then I found this peaceful ocean, where my heart can breathe again, where the love and calmness meet me, like the sunshine after rain. Let the ocean heal the spirit, let the music calm the mind. There is beauty all around us if we slow down and take time. Golden horizons of love and peace, where my worries finally cease. Underneath the endless sky, I feel my dreams begin to rise. Golden horizons of love and peace, where my heart is found release, with the reggae rhythm flowing free. This paradise belongs to me. Golden horizons of love and peace, a place where my soul can breathe, where the ocean meets the sunlight and my heart finds harmony. The island flowers bloom with colors, the birds are singing through the trees, the palm leaves dance with gentle movement, following the ocean breeze. Every sunset tells a story, every sunrise brings new hope. Every wave that reaches the shoreline helps my heart to learn and grow. I remember days of struggle, when the road was hard to see, when I searched for peace and comfort, when I needed to be free. But the ocean taught me patience, and the stars became my guide. Now I walk with faith and courage, with the sunshine by my side. Feel the of love and peace, where my worries finally cease. Underneath the endless sky, I feel my dreams begin to rise. Golden horizons of love and peace, where my heart has found release, with the reggae rhythm flowing free. This paradise belongs to me. When the evening paints the ocean with a golden shade of light, I sit beside the quiet shoreline, watching stars appear at night. The moon reflects upon the water like a diamond in the sea, and I feel a deep connection to the peace surrounding me. No treasure could ever replace it, no riches could compare to the feeling of a calm heart and the love that fills the air. For the greatest things in life are not the things we hold in hand, but the moments full of kindness and the beauty of this land. Let love become the ocean, let peace become the tide, let hope become the sunshine that forever stays inside. Through the storms and changing seasons, through the journeys we must take, may we always find the beauty in the choices that we make. Like the horizon in the distance, always waiting to be found. Like the rhythm of the island, always carrying a peaceful sound. We can rise above the worries, we can leave the past behind. With a heart full of gratitude, there is happiness to find. Now northern night begins to settle, and the stars light up the sky. The ocean whispers softly as the gentle waves pass by. I look back at all my footsteps and the lessons they have shown. Every road has brought me closer to the peace I now have known. Tomorrow brings another sunrise, another golden day to see, another chance to share the kindness that lives inside of me. The horizon keeps on glowing with the promise pure and bright, a reminder that love and my little paradise by the sea. I found a place beyond the worries, where the ocean meets the sky. A little piece of heaven waiting, where the gentle waves roll by. The palm trees dance above the shoreline, the warm breeze touches my face. In this quiet island corner, I discovered my peaceful place. The world can move a little faster, but I don't need to run anymore. I found the beauty in the simple of the waves upon the shore. Every morning brings a blessing, every sunset tells a story. This little paradise I found is filled with peace and glory. Let the ocean sing around me, let the island set me free. Every moment is a treasure, every breath belongs to me. My little paradise by the sea, where my heart feels wild and free. With the palm trees and the ocean breeze, I found the peace I need. My little paradise by the sea, a beautiful dream surrounding me. With the reggae rhythm flowing slow, this is the place I call my home. My little paradise by the sea, where the world feels calm and bright. Underneath the tropical heavens, everything feels right. The morning birds are softly singing as the golden sunlight grows. The flowers bloom beside the pathway, and the gentle river flows. The fishermen return at sunrise with stories from the deep blue sea. The island carries simple moments that mean everything to me. I remember all the seasons when I searched for something more, looking past the little blessings that were waiting at my door. But the ocean taught me slowly that happiness is found inside. When your heart is full of gratitude, you always have a place to hide. Feel the rhythm of the shoreline, hear the waves begin to play. The island whispers softly, enjoy this beautiful day. My little paradise by the sea, where my heart feels wild and free. With the palm trees and the ocean breeze, I found the peace I need. My little paradise by the sea, a beautiful dream surrounding me. With the reggae rhythm flowing slow, this is the place I call my home. When the sunset paints the water with the golden ocean glow, I sit beside the quiet shoreline, watching gentle waves below. The moonlight dances on the surface, stars begin to fill the night. The island turns into a dreamland, covered in a peaceful light. No riches from a distant kingdom, no treasure buried in the sand, could ever match the simple beauty of this peaceful island land. A warm breeze, a loving heart, a song beneath the sky. These are the precious little moments that money cannot buy. So I'll keep this island feeling deep inside my heart forever. Through the storms and changing seasons, I will lose this The island rests beneath the moon. The waves are singing softly, a familiar island tune. The palm trees whisper gently as the stars shine from above. This little paradise reminds me of the beauty found in love. Tomorrow brings another morning, another sunrise by the sea, another chance to feel the blessing of this place that sets me free. The ocean will keep calling, the breeze will always say, come back to your little paradise where your heart can always stay. My little paradise by the sea, forever living inside of me. With the ocean waves beside me, I found the place I'm meant to be. My little paradise by the sea, a dream as beautiful as can be. With the reggae rhythm flowing free, this island will always carry me. My little paradise by the sea, where my soul can finally breathe. Underneath the tropical sky, I found my reason to smile. The waves roll in, the waves roll out, taking away every doubt. The palm trees sway, the stars shine bright. Oh, oh, I was walking through the quiet moments, searching for a place to heal, carrying the weight of yesterday, trying to find what's real. The world was moving all around me, but my heart was feeling tired, looking for a little comfort, looking for a spark of fire. Then I heard the ocean calling, like a voice that understood. The gentle waves came closer, bringing peace like they always could. The island breeze touched my spirit, like a blessing from the sky. And I felt my heart begin to open as the worries passed me by. Let the waves wash away the sadness, let the sunshine calm the pain. Every breath becomes a promise that I can smile again. Ocean breeze healing my soul, making my broken pieces whole. With every wave that reaches the shore, I feel stronger than before. Ocean breeze healing my soul, bringing peace that I can hold. With the reggae rhythm flowing free, the ocean brings the best of me. Ocean breeze healing my soul, like a story waiting to be told. Underneath the tropical sky, I find my reason to survive. The palm trees dance beside the water, the flowers bloom beneath the sun. The birds are singing in the distance, a new beginning has begun. The ocean carries all my worries, taking them away with time, leaving only hope and freedom, leaving peace inside my mind. I remember all the struggles, all the nights I felt alone, all the moments I was searching for a place that felt like home. But the island showed me gently that healing takes its time, like the sunrise after darkness. Everything will be alright. Hear the rhythm of the ocean, feel the warmth upon your face. There is healing in the silence, there is comfort in with the golden ocean flame. I look back upon my journey and I'm thankful that I came. Every scar became a lesson, every tear became a seed, every challenge helped me discover what my heart truly needs. The moonlight shines above the water, stars are dancing in the night. The island breeze keeps reminding me that there is always light. No storm can last forever, no cloud can hide the sun. A new chapter always follows when the hardest days are done. Let the ocean heal your spirit, let the waves release your fear. Let the island breeze remind you that a brighter day is near. You are more than your struggles, you are more than yesterday. Like the flowers after rainfall, you can bloom again someday. Keep your heart open and hopeful, keep believing in your way. Every soul has hidden beauty, waiting for the light of day. The ocean keeps on moving, the tides will rise and fall, but the peace you find within you will always stand through all. Now the night is calm and peaceful, the ocean shines beneath the moon. The waves are singing softly, a beautiful island tune. I sit beside the shoreline with gratitude inside my heart. The ocean gave me healing and a beautiful new start. Tomorrow brings another sunrise, another chance to grow and shine, another day to walk with courage and leave the past behind. The breeze will keep on calling, the waves will always say there is peace waiting for your heart at the end of every day. Ocean breeze healing my soul, bringing peace that makes me whole. Every wave and every tide keeps the hope I hold inside. Ocean breeze healing my soul, love and peace I've come to know. With the reggae rhythm and the sea, I found the person I'm meant to be. Ocean breeze healing my soul, forever flowing, forever whole. Underneath the tropical sky, I feel alive, I feel alive. The waves rolling, the waves roll out, carrying away every doubt. The ocean breeze will always be a healing song inside of me. The morning sun is shining brightly, golden rays across the land. The ocean waves are gently moving, like a song upon the sand. The palm trees dance with the island breeze, the birds are singing in the sky. I open my eyes with gratitude for this beautiful day passing by. No need to worry about tomorrow, no need to hold on to the past. This moment is a precious blessing, a memory I hope will last. The simple things are all around me, the beauty that we often miss. A peaceful heart, a grateful spirit, a life filled with happiness. Feel the sunshine on your face now, hear the rhythm of the sea. Every day is a reminder that life can set you free. Another beautiful day in paradise, another chance to feel alive. With the ocean breeze beside me, I'm thankful for this life. Another beautiful day in paradise, where the palm trees touch the sky. With the reggae rhythm flowing, I let my worries fly. Another beautiful day in paradise, a blessing I can see underneath the tropical sunlight. I find the best of me. Flowers bloom beside the pathway, showing colors bright and new. The ocean sparkles in the distance, like a dream beneath the blue. The island carries peaceful stories, written by the wind and waves. Every corner holds a memory, every moment that it saves. I remember when the road was difficult, when the clouds covered my view, when I searched for hope and answers, not knowing what I would do. But the seasons kept on changing, and the storms all passed away. Now I stand beneath the sunshine, welcoming a brighter day. Let the music move your spirit, let the ocean calm your mind. There is beauty waiting for you if you take the time to find. Another beautiful day in paradise, another chance to feel alive. With the ocean breeze beside me, I'm thankful for this life. Another beautiful day in paradise, where the palm trees touch the sky. With the reggae rhythm flowing, I let my worries fly. Oh, the afternoon sun is glowing, painting gold across the sea. The island feels like a reminder of the person I can be. A smile from a passing stranger, a song playing in the air. Little moments full of magic show that life is truly fair. The sunset will come slowly, and the stars will start to shine. But the peace I feel this moment will forever stay in mind. Because paradise is not only a place that we can find, it is the love and joy we carry deep within our heart and mind. So let the waves keep on rolling, let the palm trees sway in time. Let the island keep reminding us that the simple things are fine. Every sunrise brings a promise, every morning brings a star. Every day is a new blessing when you live with an open heart. When the rain comes in the future and the skies are not so clear, I will remember this paradise and the peace I found right here. Like the ocean and colors fade. The island rests in quiet beauty in the peaceful night it made. The waves continue their journey, the stars appear above the sea, and I thank this day for showing the beauty life can bring to me. Tomorrow brings another morning, another sunrise to embrace, another beautiful adventure, another moment full of grace. I will carry this feeling with me wherever I may go. The paradise I found today will always help me grow. Another beautiful day in paradise, forever shining in my heart. Every sunrise brings a blessing, every day a brand new start. Another beautiful day in paradise, where my soul can breathe and fly, with the reggae rhythm beside me and the endless tropical sky. Island flowers and endless smiles, yard tile. The morning sun is waking slowly, golden light across the bay. The island flowers start to blossom, welcoming another day. The gentle breeze moves through the garden, carrying a sweet perfume. The palm trees dance beside the ocean, underneath the morning blue. I take a walk along the shoreline, feeling grateful to be here. Every sound of nature around me brings a happiness so clear. The waves are singing peaceful songs now, the birds are flying wild and free. This little island full of beauty feels like home to me. Let the flowers keep on growing, let the sunshine touch your face. Every moment is a blessing, every heart can find its place. Island flowers and endless smiles, beautiful dreams across the miles, where the ocean meets the sky so blue. Every day feels fresh and new. Island flowers and endless smiles, peace and love are always worthwhile, with the reggae rhythm flowing free. This paradise is calling me. Island flowers and endless smiles, a little heaven by the sea, where my heart can dance forever and my soul can simply be. The palm trees sway with gentle rhythm as the waves roll to the shore. The island breeze keeps softly singing like a song I've heard before. The colors of the flowers shining paint a picture in my mind, a reminder that the greatest treasures are the simple things we find. I remember all the hard days when my heart was feeling low, when I wondered where my journey was supposed to really go. But the island showed me slowly that there's beauty paints the water with a golden ocean glow. I watch the flowers gently moving with the evening breeze that flows. The moon begins to rise above me. Stars appear one by one. The island keeps on sharing beauty long after the day is done. No riches from a distant kingdom, no treasure hidden in the sea could ever match the simple happiness this island gives to me. A warm smile from someone near me, a peaceful walk along the sand, a heart filled with appreciation is the greatest gift we have. Let the flowers tell their stories, let the ocean sing along, let the island keep reminding us that happiness is strong. Through the seasons and the changes, through the highs and through the lows, like the flowers in the garden, love and kindness always grow. When tomorrow brings new moments, I will welcome them with grace, because every day is precious, every time and every place. The beauty is not only somewhere far beyond what eyes can see. The greatest island paradise lives inside of you and me. The night is calm and peaceful. The island rests beneath the stars. The flowers close their gentle petals, but their beauty travels far. The ocean whispers in the darkness, the palm trees softly sway. The smiles and memories we created will never fade away. Tomorrow brings another sunrise, another chance to laugh and sing, another day to see the beauty that every little moment brings. I will carry this island feeling deep within my heart forever. The flowers, smiles and ocean breeze will leave my soul better. Island